Do you want to figure out the best way to master a new skill? Felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there? Introducing WisdomPlan, a tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to generate personalized learning plans, helping you master any skill your way. Here is how it works. Click on Create with WisdomPlan to kickstart your journey. Input your learning goal, whether it's mastering a new language, honing your coding skills, or anything else. Next, provide some context by entering your background. This helps the AI understand where you're starting from. Select your preferences. Do you learn better through videos, hands-on projects, or in-depth articles? Choose what suits you best. Set a deadline. Whether you're aiming to learn in a month or a year, setting a deadline helps keep you motivated and on track. Specify the number of hours you can dedicate each week. Now, give your learning plan a name. Personalize it to make it truly yours. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, WisdomPlan crafts a comprehensive learning plan tailored specifically to you. But that's not all. Dive deeper into each module, preview the content, and embark on your learning journey with confidence. It's time to learn smarter, not harder. And to spread the wisdom, click Share. Select desired options to share with others, or simply copy the link. Let's make your dreams a reality, one step at a time. Let's go.